Experiencing Bluetooth connectivity problems between your AirPods Pro 3 and Samsung Frame TV, especially 2023-2025 models like QN90C, QN85C, and QN65C? You're not alone. Despite recent firmware updates from both Apple and Samsung, pairing failures and audio lag persist due to codec mismatches between AAC and SBC or aptX. First, ensure both devices are updated to the latest firmware. Check for updates in iOS settings for your AirPods and in the TV's system menu. Next, try manual resets. Forget the AirPods in iOS settings and repair them, and clear paired device lists on the TV. Enable Samsung's Apple device compatibility mode found in the TV's settings. This can significantly reduce lag. Ensure the devices are within 1 meter during pairing, and disable the TV's energy-saving mode, which can throttle Bluetooth power. For persistent problems, consider using Samsung's SmartThings app to bridge connections or resort to a wired HDMI or USB-C connection for audio. These steps should resolve most connectivity issues between your AirPods Pro 3 and Samsung Frame TV. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, try advanced fixes like enabling developer mode on your Samsung TV for custom Bluetooth tweaks, though this option is not user-friendly. As a temporary workaround, many users connect using adapters like Apple's Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack. Looking ahead, the Matter protocol aims to standardize pairing across platforms, reducing compatibility issues. Samsung plans Bluetooth LE improvements in 2026, Frame TV models, potentially eliminating audio lag through better codec negotiation. Apple's rumored universal audio mode could allow AirPods to adapt codecs dynamically for better compatibility. While Apple-Samsung rivalry may delay fixes, software updates will gradually improve compatibility. By 2030, AI-driven firmware might automatically optimize lag based on device detection.